Hey, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what would happen if a massive solar storm hit Earth? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of solar storms and find out if we're prepared for the next big one. First off, what exactly is a solar storm? A solar storm occurs when the sun releases a huge burst of energy in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. This energy travels through space and can reach Earth in just a few days. When it does, it can wreak havoc on our planet's magnetic field. Now, you might be thinking, so what? It's just some space weather. But here's the thing. A powerful solar storm could have catastrophic effects on our modern world. Imagine widespread power outages, GPS systems failing, and communication networks going down. That's scary, right? One of the most famous solar storms in history was the Carrington event of 1859. Back then, telegraph systems around the world went haywire. Operators reported sparks flying from their equipment, and some telegraph lines even caught fire. If a storm of that magnitude happened today, the consequences would be far more severe. But how likely is it that we'll experience such a devastating solar storm in the near future? Scientists have been studying the sun's activity for decades, and they know that solar storms follow an 11-year cycle of activity known as the solar cycle. We're currently in solar cycle 25, which is expected to peak around 2025. During this peak, the likelihood of solar storms increases. So, are we prepared for the next big one? The good news is that scientists and engineers are working hard to develop better ways to predict and mitigate the effects of solar storms. For example, NASA and NOAA monitor the sun's activity using satellites like the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, and the Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO. These satellites provide early warnings of impending solar storms, giving us more time to prepare. In addition, power companies and communication networks are taking steps to protect their infrastructure. They're implementing better shielding and backup systems to ensure that critical services can continue to function during a solar storm. But despite these efforts, there's still a lot we don't know about solar storms and their potential impact. That's why ongoing research and investment in space weather forecasting are so important. The more we understand about these powerful events, the better equipped we'll be to protect ourselves and our technology. So the next time you look up at the sun, remember that it's not just a source of light and warmth. It's also a dynamic, powerful force that can shape our world in ways we might not expect. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep exploring the wonders of our universe together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more science content. See you next time.